Feeding the world is a noble job. And while we don't exactly do it ourselves, we have over the years become a trusted ally of those who do. Food manufacturers around the world rely on BatchMaster to ensure that only safe, healthy and top quality food products reach from the farm to your table. Through our ERP solutions, we act as a facilitator, helping food manufacturers bridging the gap between what you expect and what's being delivered to you. So next time when the food labels on the products you buy say all you want to know, when your favorite chips taste consistently same every time, when every sip of the nectar of the gods oozes quality, remember, we are behind it as a small contributor to your happiness and satisfaction, which is our driving force. BatchMaster, simplifying businesses, touching lives. Simplifying businesses, touching lives.